Hello guys and welcome back to this new Unreal Engine performance series, and today we are going to see how to optimize our game using event tick. So guys, event tick is very useful node that beginners often use for pretty much everything, like looking at, detecting objects, searching for some things, etc. But as we are going to see, guys, event tick is not that cheap because, as its name tell, event tick, it's an event that is triggered every frame of the game. And if you link the event tick with some nodes that are pretty much heavy, you are going to affect your game performance. So this is why we are going to see what are the nodes that we are not supposed to use event tick with. The first of all, guys, we have the line trace by channel. Line trace by channel is used by pretty much every game developer because it's a very useful node. It can give us detection way, or let's say a manner to interact with a specific object. But guys, line trace by channel is a very expensive operation. Okay, it's not seems like that here. We still have 120 FPS, but my game is empty. Okay, guys, I have no other actor here but my character. In other games, when you are at the end of the development, or you have a lot of characters or AIs that, and especially if they are using the line trace by channel themselves, you are going to affect the performance of your game really hard. Okay, guys, so this is why you should not use the event tick with the line trace by channel. Instead, what you can do, you can link, you can use line trace by channel in association with this configuration. You will see uh, the event stick, guys, is triggered every, you will see event string. The event tick, guys, is triggered every 0.008 second. Okay, guys, you don't need to spawn or use a line trace by channel every 0.008 second. This is why what I recommend for you is to use a do once node, and then you link it to line trace by channel, and in the exit node you go back to the delay with, let's say, 0.1 second. That way you will still have your line trace by channel detection way, or whatever you are using it for, but you will reduce the consumption of your CPU performance. Okay, guys, that was the first thing to avoid using, the first used to avoid with event tick. Okay, guys, that was for the line trace by channel. Secondly, we have get all actor of class. Guys, even if you put the mouse on this node, you will read find all actor in the word of specific class. This is a slow operation. Use with caution. Do not use every frame. Okay, so even Unreal Engine tell you do not use it with the event tick, especially that you don't need to use it with the event tick. If you need to have all the actors of some class, just use it once. Okay, you can use it in event begin play, or even if you want to use it here, you can do once this time also, and after that you just promise to variable, which means you save this operation will be triggered only one time, and you will save the result in a variable, and this variable will be used for the each loop, or whatever you need it. Okay, guys, so beware, the get all actor of class is a very heavy operation. Do not use it with every frame. Okay, especially if you are using it with other operation or other logic. Okay, guys, the third thing to avoid is using the event tick with a timeline. The timeline, guys, will multiply the consummation of the performance of the event tick. Okay, why? Because in the in the timeline, often you are using keys like this. with the time and the values. And on the update, don't forget that it is launching every frame from the beginning to the start, okay? And imagine if you, in addition, use the event tick with it, so it will really affect your performance very bad. So never use event tick with timeline. Timeline should always be used with do once and restart node in case you want to reuse this timeline, okay guys? And finally, guys, it will we have the casting to every actor. That doesn't matter, but especially if it is an actor, a heavy actor with a lot of blueprint inside, the casting, guys, will not affect the performance as much as the get all actor of class, but it's still a heavy operation, okay? And try to never use it with the event tick. Instead, you will do the same thing that we done with the get all actor of classes, which means you save it as you promote to variable, and you save the result here, and you use this variable whenever you need it, okay guys? Now, guys, you are going to tell me, but sometimes we need to use an operation a multiple amount of time. Okay, we have seen here in the case of line trace by channel, often you use the line trace by channel the whole game, okay, the whole time of the game. So the solution was to reduce uh, the the spawning of the line trace by channel using a delay, okay? But when you need to repeat the operation with a limited amount of time, you can use this three nodes here, guys, okay? You have the multi-gate, okay? You can start it from here. You can loop it off, or sorry, set it as a random or not, and you will have a bunch of exit nodes in case you have different following logic, okay, guys? In the case of you, sorry, in case you have different uh, in case you have different suites, okay guys? So this is the first node. Also you have the for loop with a first index and a last index. This node, guys, will loop a last index minus first index amount of time, okay, before it completed. When you arrive to the last index, it will trigger this exit node. And you have for loop with breaks, sorry. It's the same node as this one, but here you can stop it, okay guys? And in option you have the index where you have stopped. So guys, that was everything for the event tick. Just beware that even in the input axis of the moving keys or the mouse, beware that those nodes here are triggered every frame. So beware to not put anything here but the add movement input and the add controller yaw input or pitch input, okay? So just use this those events for the movement and the looking for only, okay guys? For the rest we have figured out pretty much everything. So guys, that was everything for the event tick. So I hope it will help you. Stay tuned in this optimization series and see you in the next video.